a retired British sniper who has joined the fighting in Ukraine, says President Volodymyr Zelensky's forces are fighting like the Taliban on steroids. Shane Matthews, a former lance corporal with the 2nd Battalion Princess of Wales Royal Regiment, is currently based in Kyiv and helping to fortify the city against Vladimir Putin's approaching soldiers. Despite their military superiority, Russia has so far failed to take the capital, one of the Russian army's key objectives. Shane Matthews, who fought in Iraq and Afghanistan, told Mail Online he does not believe Kyiv will fall to the invaders. He said, "The Ukrainian artillery absolutely hammered the Russians while I was giving one of my medical lessons." Apparently the Russians have got no defensive positions in Irpin, so the Ukrainian boys are absolutely hammering them, which is good news. The guerrilla-style tactics being employed by the Ukrainians is something you simply cannot defend against. It's like the Taliban on steroids. Mr. Matthews flew out to Poland before being given lifts to the capital so he could help the Ukrainians prepare for the brutal invaders. The British Armed Forces Minister James Heappey said both serving soldiers and veterans should not fly out to join the fight against Russia. He said, "No good comes from British service people or veterans going to Ukraine to be a part of this." The former army officer added the British public, especially servicemen and women who have a deep sense of wanting to be doing the right thing, need to know what is going on behind the scenes. He added, "They need to know there is a lot of people in the Royal Air Force flying a lot of important stuff, not just from the UK, but from other European partners forward. There are British soldiers in other European countries, mostly Poland, where resources is being received, and then what happens next is not for public consumption." The might of the Russian army is still up against Ukraine. They have overwhelming force at their disposal. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. He's doing the job every day.